In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix phone number formula parse errors in Google Sheets so you can clean messy data and make your sheet work smoothly. First, open your sheet and look at your phone number column. You'll usually notice the numbers are in different formats. Some have spaces, some have dashes or brackets, and others may include country codes. What we want is to clean all of them using a formula so everything updates automatically. Now, one of the most common issues is the value error. This happens when Google Sheets tries to read a number but finds text and symbols instead. To fix this, you can use a regex function to remove everything except digits, turning messy numbers into clean values. You might also see an NA error when some cells are empty. To handle this, wrap your formula with if error so it returns a blank instead of showing an error. If you run into a formula parse error, it usually means something is missing, like a bracket or quotation mark. Just go back and carefully check your formula because even a small mistake can cause it. Sometimes, if you're using array formula, you'll see a message that it can't expand. That just means something is blocking the cells below, so clear that space. Now when you combine array formula, if error and regex together, you can automatically clean your entire column of phone numbers in one go. And that's it. Clean numbers, no errors, and a much smoother Google Sheets experience. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials.